Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Techie. In this video, I will going to explain you about switch statement in Go, how to write switch, how many ways we can write switch, and lot more details I will going to explain in this video. So watch this video till the end without skipping. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and click bell icon without wait. There are three ways we can write switch statement in Go. One is switch with expression, another one is switch without expression, and third one is switch with multiple values in case statement. The normal syntax of switch statement in Go is switch, the expression and opening phrases, and we have to write case, expression 1 and statement. Same like that we can write n number of cases. If any of the cases is not satisfied, then default statement will be executed. Here switch, case, defaults and all keywords. We should not use this keyword in our variable or function name. Let me explain you how to write this switch statement in these three ways by using our code. I have written the switch statement by using that first way, switch with expression. So I have added switch, that expression is day, and here I have given the number of cases. If the day is 1, then I will print the value Monday. If that value is 2, then I will print the value Tuesday. So if it is greater than 7, then the default value will be printed, that is invalid. Let me save this and execute this program. Go run scratch.go. So it's displaying Thursday because I have given the value day equal to 4. So what is the value of 4? So Thursday, right? We can give this initializing the variable and the expression in the same line. So how we can write it? Day colon equal to 4, and then we have to add semicolon. If you are initializing a value and we are giving the expression in the switch expression, then we have to give semicolon. Otherwise we need to give semicolon anywhere else in Go. So let me save this program and I am executing it. Go run scratch.go. Yeah, now also displaying Thursday. So we can initialize the variable and add expression in the same line in switch statement. Now we can check the second way. So what is the second way? Switch without an expression. So here I did not mention any expression here, but I have added this variable name in each case. For example, I am assigning day value as 5. Okay, now what is the value it should print? What is the case it will satisfy? Case 5, day 5, right? So that value Friday will be printed in the console. Let me save it and run this program. Go run scratch.go. Yeah, it's showing Friday. Why? Because here I have given value 5. This 5 will be satisfied the case 5. So that's what it's displaying the value Friday. If I am giving 15, then let us check what is the value it's printing. It's showing that invalid because it's not satisfied any of this case. So that's what it's displaying invalid. Now let us check the third way. What is the third way? Switch with multiple values in the case statement. So to explain this, I have written one code here. So in this code I have declared one variable, that is value, and assign the value as Java. So here I have two cases. One is with Java, another one is with Go and Golang. If that value is Go or Golang, then it will print the value Go language. If the value is Java, then it will print the value Java language. Now I am saving this program and let's check it out. What is the output? Go run scratch.go. Yeah, it's displaying that value Java language, right? So why? Because value variable I have assigned the value Java. Now I am changing this value into Go. Now execute this program and then see what is the output. It's displaying Go language. Now I am changing the value from Go to Golang. I am saving this program and executing it. Yeah, again it's displaying, again it's printing the value Go language. This is pretty much about this video. I hope you understood how to write switch statement in these three ways. I hope whatever information I have shared is useful to you. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it and click bell icon without fail. Whatever the comments you have, please put it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.